Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best newborn pacifier is probably one of the most essential items for new parents, offering a sense of calm and comfort for your little one during those crucial early weeks and months. Choosing the right pacifier can significantly impact your baby's soothing experience, sleep quality, and even oral development, making this a decision that warrants careful consideration as you prepare for your baby's arrival or seek to enhance their comfort. Number 5. Frida Baby Sick Day Prep Kit. When your little one is under the weather, be prepared for anything. This kit has everything you need to help them feel better. Easily clear their stuffy nose with our gentle nasal aspirator. It's designed to safely remove mucus and help them breathe easier. Administer medicine with precision using the pacifier dispenser. It ensures they get the correct dose without any fuss. Soothe their chest and nose with our gentle vapor rub. It's formulated to provide comfort and relief during sick days. Keep their face clean and comfortable with our soft snot wipes. They are designed to be gentle on delicate skin. This comprehensive set provides all the essentials for managing your baby's sick day symptoms. Be ready to care for them with confidence. What we like. This kit is designed for those unexpected sick days. It includes everything you need to help your little one feel better. If you want to be prepared for sniffles and coughs, this is the perfect bundle for you. What people say. The pacifier has a symmetrical orthodontic shape that supports natural oral development. It features a glow-in-the-dark handle, making it easy to find in the dark. The pacifier is made from BPA-free silicone, ensuring safety for the baby. Number 4. Moonkie Pacifiers Set of 2. Discover our pacifier set, designed with your baby's comfort in mind. The one-piece construction ensures safety and ease of use. Featuring large air holes, this pacifier promotes better airflow to prevent skin irritation. It's crafted for babies aged 0 to 6 months. We prioritize your baby's health. Our pacifiers are made from 100% BPA-free silicone, ensuring a safe and healthy experience. The innovative one-piece design means no small parts to worry about. It's durable, easy to clean, and perfectly safe for your little one. Specially designed for newborns and infants up to 6 months old. Give your baby the comfort and security they deserve. Choose Moonkie for peace of mind. Our pacifiers offer a safe, comfortable, and reliable option for your baby's soothing needs. What we like. Designed for newborns, this pacifier offers excellent airflow to keep delicate skin dry. Its one-piece construction ensures safety and hygiene. If you are looking for a safe and comfortable option for your baby's early months, this is a great choice. What people say. The pacifier is designed to be orthodontic, meaning it's shaped to support natural oral development. It features a symmetrical, orthodontic nipple that's collapsible, reversible, and BPA-free. The pacifier has a glow-in-the-dark handle, making it easy to find in the dark. Number 3. Moonkie Pacifiers Set of 2. Discover our set of 2 pacifiers, designed with your baby's comfort in mind. The one-piece construction ensures safety and ease of use. Featuring large air holes, these pacifiers promote better airflow to keep your baby's delicate skin dry and comfortable. They are made from BPA-free silicone for your peace of mind. Specially designed for babies aged 6 months and older, these pacifiers meet strict safety standards. You can trust them for your little one's soothing needs. The innovative one-piece design means there are no small parts to attach, making it a safe and durable choice. It's easy to clean and maintain. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, these pacifiers are soft, flexible, and safe for your baby to use. They are designed to be gentle and soothing. What we like. As your baby grows, their needs change, and this pacifier is designed for older infants. The one-piece silicone construction is hygienic and safe, while the large air holes promote better airflow. If your baby is over 6 months and needs a reliable pacifier, consider this option. What people say. The pacifier has a symmetrical orthodontic shape that respects the natural development of baby's palate, gums and teeth. The pacifier is made from 100% medical-grade silicone, which is BPA and phthalate-free. The pacifier has a soft silicone nipple that mimics the feel of a mother's breast, which can help to soothe and calm the baby. Number 2. Tommee Tippee Ultralight Silicone Pacifier. Introducing the Ultralight Silicone Pacifier from Tommee Tippee. Designed for babies aged 0 to 6 months, it offers ultimate comfort and peace of mind. Its symmetrical, one-piece design ensures a natural fit in your baby's mouth. This thoughtful construction promotes healthy oral development. Crafted from 100% BPA-free silicone, this pacifier prioritizes your baby's safety. You can be confident that it's gentle and secure for everyday use. This pack includes 4 pacifiers, ensuring you always have a clean one ready. It's perfect for home or on the go. Choose from clear, blue, or green options to suit your baby's style. These pacifiers combine functionality with a touch of modern design. What we like? This pacifier features an ultra-lightweight design for maximum comfort and a symmetrical shape that babies often prefer. The pack of 4 ensures you always have a clean one ready. If you prioritize a lightweight feel and a design that mimics a natural nipple, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The nipple shape is orthodontic and designed to support natural oral development. The pacifier has a symmetrical orthodontic nipple that is designed to fit naturally in a baby's mouth. The pacifier has a glow-in-the-dark handle, making it easy to find in the dark. Number 1. Tommee Tippee Ultralight Silicone Pacifier. Introducing the Ultralight Silicone Pacifier from Tommee Tippee. Designed for ultimate comfort for your little one. It features a symmetrical, one-piece design for a natural fit. This ensures it stays in place, no matter how your baby turns. Crafted from 100% BPA-free silicone, it's completely safe for your baby. You can have peace of mind knowing it's gentle on their skin. This pacifier is perfectly sized for babies aged 0 to 6 months. It's ideal for soothing your infant during their early months. Available in a delightful pack of 3 colors, pink, purple, and green. These cheerful colors add a touch of fun to your baby's essentials. Get a convenient pack of 4 pacifiers. This ensures you always have a clean one ready when you need it most. What we like? Offering the same ultralight and symmetrical benefits as the other pack, this set comes in lovely pink, purple, and green hues. It's perfect for parents who appreciate both function and a touch of color. If you like a pacifier that is comfortable, familiar, and aesthetically pleasing, this pack is ideal. What people say. The pacifier is shaped like a traditional pacifier and has a symmetrical orthodontic nipple that is designed to support natural oral development. It is made from BPA-free silicone, which is soft, durable, and easy to clean. The pacifier has a shield with air holes that allow for better airflow, reducing the risk of skin irritation around the baby's mouth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.